Welcome to Lydia's kitchen. Today we're gonna make carrot apple cake with a chocolate glaze. Enjoy. So I have here 4 small carrots and 2 small apples. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put everything in the mixer. The carrots, apples, and then I'm gonna put the eggs there and oil. So everything I'm gonna put it in the mixer. And I'm gonna blend it everything. So after I'm done blending the eggs, oil, carrots and apple, I'm gonna put everything here. Make sure you blend it, not mixing. So now I'm gonna add the sugar here and vanilla. And I'm gonna mix it. So after you're done mixing the sugar, you're gonna add the salt and cinnamon and mix it again. Make sure you preheat your oven 350 degrees. So now you see the carrots right here. You just take it away, so you don't need this. So now you take the flour and you put the baking powder here and you mix it. Now you add this here. Make sure you take a bigger bowl so you don't mix it. So after you're done mixing, it's gonna look like this. Take the bake form and you just spray with the oil already, and you just put this mix here. And you bake it 30 to 40 minutes, but to check it, you just need the wood stick to check it if it's done or not. Just stick the thing, when it's dry, it's done. 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. So the cake is done. I bake it about 40 minutes. I put the stick on it and to check if it's done. So I let it cool down. Put this on the side. Now we're gonna make the chocolate glazure for the cake. So preheat your pan. So I have sugar here. I'm gonna add sugar here and cacao powder. And I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna add some milk. So add some milk here. I'm gonna make sure you mix it real good, no crumbs. Oops. I'll let it cook a little bit, so it's gonna be a little bit hot. Then I'm gonna add the butter. Make sure you mix real good. Okay, let it cook a little bit. Not like boiling, like a little bit warming up, so the sugar can melt. So after you see it's going like this, you don't see the sugar anymore. The sugar is dissolved, so it's good. You taste it, maybe you need more sugar. So I take the from the oven, and I'm gonna add the butter here. Butter and vanilla. And I'm gonna mix it. You see the butter is melting. So make sure you mix real good so the butter is melt. So the cake is here. I flip the cake in my nice plate. So mix it. Okay, so the chocolate glazure is done. I let it cool down a little bit like warm. And then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Okay. So the glazure is done. It's cooled down. The cake cooled down. Now I'm just gonna put it like this. You probably don't have to use all. But if you wanna put more, you can add more. I'm not gonna use all. So put it like this. This glazure is not gonna be hard. It's staying soft, not like some chocolate. It's gonna be a soft glazure. So now I'm gonna cut it for you and show you how to put inside. It's better when you leave in the refrigerator for a little bit so the glazure can get a little bit hard. It's not gonna get hard, but still something. So this look like this. So I'm gonna show you. It's soft and small like carrots and apple.
I taste it.
And it tastes good. If you like my video, please subscribe, share, and thank you for watching and enjoy it.